364 days and counting. March 16th, 2011. That's the completion date for the Taos County complex. Since the last progress report, steel workers have been erecting the structural steel for the courthouse. Beams, columns, and earthquake code X-beams now shadow the view of Taos Mountain. At the construction site of the jail, the shoring stands ready for concrete pourers.
This is the shoring up to carry the second floor concrete apron and catwalk around the pods. It goes all the way around. There's a poured deck with a 5-foot overhang and then more cells up on top the second floor.
This is the control room for the 92-bed detention center. All the conduit for the central control room is now in place.
There are over 300 conduits passing through this corridor into this electrical room for detention center. And instead of backfilling it with dirt and risking breaking any of the conduits, we poured a grout slurry over the top, and then the slab will go over to protect the conduits. Down that hallway, you'll see another bunch, and a heating pipe. You'll see about 300 conduits running down that hallway.
The masons are busy in the jail area. Brick by brick, it's taking shape. The sheriff's department will be housed here also. This mason takes a break to show off for the camera. Meanwhile, at the Taos County Administration Building site, the staircase stands. The second-story decking shows bolt after bolt. Western Technologies is the third-party inspector. Several days out of the week, they inspect everything.
Everything is panning out right now. All the concrete has met specifications. All the steel is up to spec. Currently, they are visually inspecting welds on the decking and on the roof joists, and they currently look correct. And they go piece by piece, weld by weld, column by column to check every location.
On the first floor, the Taos County Commission chambers will have north-facing windows and high ceilings. There will also be several skylights in the building.
You're talking about the tin hanging from the deck? What needs to happen is later on, those are duck hangers, and they all have to be up before the fire suppression gets sprayed on all the beams, the fire retardant. So that's everything has to be anchored to the deck, all the little fire suppression, ducking, conduit supports, all that stuff, and then we'll pour the deck up on top, and then the fire suppression guy comes in and sprays all the beams.
HB Construction has a current workforce of 65 with 24 local hires. Good weather has helped keep construction on schedule. Next, a tour of the 230-foot underground tunnel, highlighting the construction on Albright Street. I'm Candace O'Donnell.